Hi, today we're talking about mathematics, or math, however you would like to say it. We're going to be progressing through the shelf and the material, always in the left to right manner and going from the top shelf down to the second shelf. And then there is a third shelf you can't see in this video right now. So we will be progressing through the math curriculum, starting with the Sandpaper Numbers, which is here. And I'm going to have a few options on the shelf, and you would only place one, but for the sake of me showing you options, I have multiples on the shelf with some of the material. So I will show you options, and then just know you would pick one. So we'll progress through the curriculum, and with this video I'll show you the Sandpaper numbers, and we'll go from there. So these are the Sandpaper numbers, and you can get a variety of them. Mine are actually, it's cardboard. You can get wood, you can get cardboard, you can make your own. If you just make a simple rectangle piece of wood or cardboard, and you put glue and sprinkle sand, that will work. So you don't have to get fancy or expensive with this material. It will serve its purpose, and your child will learn, and you will not handicap them if you don't spend a great deal of money on this. So anyone can actually make these. Just make it appealing, that all of them are indeed the same size. You can get stencils at your Hobby Lobby or even Home Depot type of place. So stencils will work, or you can freelance it as long as it looks appealing and it's size accurate. So try to use a ruler and make all of your numbers the same size. So this is 0, and even on this material, which is by, let's see, it's DIDAX. You can see there. I just got it on the internet. It's not complicated. Look for Sandpaper Numbers and find the one in your budget. Again, you can make your own. And so you can even get sandpaper, use your stencils, and actually cut it out and mount it on anything that you would like that is durable. Okay, and so this has arrows to show you how you would write the 0. What I will say is this is not the direction I would teach. I would teach always going left to right, top to bottom. So if I was to show the child how to do the number 0, I would go in a clockwise fashion. So using 2 fingers, clockwise fashion. This shows counterclockwise. It's perplexing me. However, I would go clockwise, top to bottom, left to right. Because that is the reading style that we follow. So there's 0. Here's the number 1. And then, of course, you would just go 2 fingers straight down. The number 2, you would go around, down, and across. So you can always give verbal cues. Around, down, across. Around, stop, around for 3. For 4, down, across, and down. So give them verbal clues. And then moving on to number 5, which you would only give at maximum, 0, 1, 2, 3 in one lesson, so 4 numbers. So I say down and around and across for 5. Okay, 6, I would say down and around. 7, across and down. And give them, show them a couple of times. This again is showing counterclockwise. I would go down, around, up and over. Down and around and up and over. So I would not follow these arrows. So that's 8. This is number 9. It looks more like a letter to me, but this is what they gave me. So around, up and down. Around, up and down. Okay, so that is the sandpaper numbers. And again, I would put them in the sequence where there's 2 groups. And I have them backwards, so I'll straighten them out for you. Everything 5 through 9 is over there, and 0 through 4 over here. So there's 5 and 5. 10 is a whole nother ball game, and I'll share that with you.